God bless you for tuning in today. Welcome back to Ovoworks, where we talk about all things testnet, airdrop, all of the technicalities of the blockchain space. We break them down and then find the opportunities and jump right in. So today we're jumping right straight into another video, but if you're finding us for the first time, we highly recommend you go through these videos because they would help you to get positioned for these airdrops that are coming. However, today the focus is on the MetaverseHQ, the SAGA 0 NFT. It's a limited edition, and as of the time of recording, we have just 37 or 38 days to go. So you have a little over a month to have this NFT minted. Now, if you look in the description box of the video, you're going to find my link for you to mint this NFT. I think the fee is around $3 on Ethereum, $3 Ethereum on the base chain network. So now the requirements you need for this is, number one, you need your MetaMask wallet. Number two, a good internet connection. And like I would always say, you can do this from your computer, your Mac, your desktop. And if you don't have any of these computer gadgets, you can do it from your mobile phone browser, and the browser to use is the MySS browser. So this is them. You can follow them and get the latest updates from them as well. One other thing is you can follow me on X. This is me. I put out my thoughts as well, and the YouTube videos, the show notes for the YouTube videos, I document them on my X. And so if you're following me on X as you're subscribed to Ovoworks, some of the videos that I record, I have done a documentation about them on my X profile. So if you follow me on there, you have the opportunity to get into some projects way earlier than when I record the video. So that said, we head over to the MetaverseHQ website and we are going to sign in. So when you follow the link in the description box, you're going to be greeted with this screen. You can either sign in with your Discord, your Google. I like to use MetaMask. However, after everything, I'll disconnect it from this website. So I'll click on the MetaMask icon and it should prompt a connection request to MetaMask. So we see that MetaMask is up, but then it is requesting for a different account. We're going to edit and switch it to the account where the funds are. You can see we have money in this account, so we'll just update the connection request and click on connect. And when we do, yep, we're going to sign in and just reconfirm that transaction request. Switch back to Gauss, and that's fine. So these are the tasks like we need to complete, and then we'll just click on this to follow Metaverse. So we need to first of all connect the Twitter account. We have successfully connected, and this should prompt us, so connected. And then the next task is to like the tweet, so we can just like it from here. And the next is to retweet it, so we can just retweet it from here. I like this so much because you do not have to leave the environment, and then from here is to reply the tweet. And here we need to visit X, type something in the comments of the tweet, smash the reply button, and we can go back. There is this one says reply a tweet. It's asking for us to connect Twitter. So you can see that the SAGA NFT ends, it's going to be ending 27th of January 2025. Let us authorize this connection again. So we have like 38 days. And now we can reply this tweet again. Please, if you have not subscribed to Ovoworks by now, you're wrong. I'm sure that this video is so helpful and valuable to you. Please do give us a like, give us a subscribe to Ovoworks, turn on the bell notifications. Let's keep building, shall we? I just replied now. I'm gonna go back to the platform and I'm gonna click on the verify, and that is done. The next task is to mint the NFT. So the supply of this is just 4,000. So let me switch to base. I'm gonna switch to base, and let me see the cost of 2. So let me see if I can just mint 2 actually. So if I click on this, Do I have enough money to mint 2 NFTs? I'm not sure. Okay, so I'll just mint one instead. So now we need to approve the transaction inside of MetaMask, confirm, and you can see right now it says minting NFT minted, and now I have the NFT minted, and yep, transaction confirmed. So if I open my MetaMask, so a total of 3.41 dollars was collected. And if I check my balance, I just have $1 left. That's fine. Well, this is done. Congratulations. So now we move on to the week 3. Okay, and there are like what, how many weeks leading to the end? So we have like 8 weeks. So for this new objective again for week 3, which is active now, it ends in 3 days. So what I have to do now is to engage in this task and complete this task like. So I'm going to come back here and verify membership. I should have this now, and we're good. Secure your whitelist, Slingshot DAO GTG whitelist. Enter this raffle for your chance to win the GTG whitelist spot for the Slingshot DAO Mint. Winning wallets will be added direct to contract for GTG Mint phase. And my Arbitrum wallet. I'm going to pause that video and retrieve that information now. Okay, so this is good. Now I can go back to the original point of mission and verify completion. So I can have this and that entered, and then now I have to mint. So this mint the MVHQ charity drive NFTs to donate $3 to charity for every NFT you mint, and a 2,500 credit bonus and a 1.0 booster. This will verify you have interacted with the contract this on the base blockchain. This is good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause this because I don't think I have funds in my wallet, but I'm going to mint this and I'm going to advance through every phase. And I recommend that you guys try to take advantage of this because this will be ending in January, 38 days from now, and you can see week 4, week 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you do a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $3 times 6, that's around $18 to mint, assuming you're minting 1 per each of these week activities. So basically that will be all for this video. Currently this is what we have, and this is the amount of points that we have. Yep. So I'm going to leave a link to this in the description box of the video. Just follow along. God bless you, take care of yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next one.